Hello and welcome to this week's video from topmemusic.com, helping you with your GCSE music theory stuff. This time we're looking at key signatures. First of all, we're going to talk about what key signatures are. A lot of the time in the textbooks at GCSE they give you the cycle of fifths to use. I have to say I find it incredibly confusing even still. I would suggest, what we're going to suggest today, it's not a bad thing, the cycle of fifths, it's very useful, but to start you off, just memorising your keys is the best way to go. So just to reiterate, a key signature is the symbol that appears at the beginning of a bit of music with either sharps in it or flats in it, telling us how many sharps or flats need to be played throughout that piece of music. So as an example, we're going to use G major. Okay, in the key of G major, it will have one sharp on the top line, which is the F line of the stave, meaning that every F played in that piece of music needs to be played as an F sharp. Okay, so that's the point. It tells you what notes are played within that key. Now a scale, which we're going to be doing today, a scale, the major scale, is just all the notes of that key played in order, so going up the alphabet. So the notes of G major would be G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, because we've added it in G. Okay, so that's what a key signature does. It tells you how many sharp. You can also get the major scale from it. Okay, we're going to move on, and I'm going to rattle through all the first four sharp keys, which are all on your PDF printout, and the first four flat keys, so that you've got them. Just memorise them. Okay, I'm going to just play the major scales of all those keys and name the notes as I go. I'm going to start with C major, which is really easy. It's just C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, which is really straightforward. So no sharps, flats, which is lovely. Okay, move on to G major, as we just did. It's got one sharp, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay, no problems. Moving on to A major, it has an F sharp. Sorry, I missed D, didn't I? D major has an F sharp and a C sharp. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Those are the notes of D major scale. Okay, moving on to A major, has F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So you get A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay, finally E major has four sharps. It has F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp. So you get these notes: E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. That's the scale of E major. Okay, moving on to your flat keys. Your first flat key is F. It has one flat. It's a B flat. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Your second flat key has two flats, B flat and E flat. Gives you the following notes: B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Your third flat key has three flats, which are B flat, E flat and A flat. You get these notes: E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Okay, so those are notes of E flat major scale. Finally, your A flat major scale, you get four flats, which are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. It's a lot of flats. Okay, so finally your notes of A flat major are A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Okay, I know I rattled through those, but it's, you know, pause the video, stop the video, look back. Really, the most important thing is that you're memorising all this stuff, because you don't want to be thinking of the cycle of fifths when you're having to come back and remember what key we're in, what is the fourth note of the scale, etc, etc. Okay, as long as you know your alphabet, which most people do, and your key signature, okay, you can really find any major scale from a given key with a bit of practice, alright? And that's what we're trying to get hold of. Obviously, you don't just have to be a guitarist, you can be a pianist, flautist, whatever. You can go through and play the scale and recite the notes as you go through it. Not the most enthralling process, I appreciate, but it is going to be so useful, and again, it is the foundation of all of this theory stuff. So go take a look at that and download the sheet from my website, and I hope that makes some sense to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright.